out that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you.
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi, and in today's video, as you can see from the title, we will be working with Nadula. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous kinky curly unit, and in today's video I'll just be showing you how I installed the wig, how I did my baby hairs, how I detangled and defined the curls, and it is 100% glueless. The wig is a 22-inch kinky curly 13x4 lace frontal wig, and if you'd like to see how to install your Nadula wig, just keep on watching. The links will be in the description box for you to purchase if you'd like to do so, and let's jump into today's tutorial.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my season. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Ready? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get out though. And I know, you know. You want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we are chill with Noel and party, a dance and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird version. Back it up high, you look right. Your body drive me. Oh, God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. You got your body at the tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Dance and tease me. How you want to run like a nothing? I think that's for me and have my hips stiff. Yeah. No fair, no cares. Because too many times you said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah, I see. Why your hearts I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my season. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me eye to fry, I get burned, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan feet. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, that. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get up though. And I know you want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we a chill with Noel and party, a dance and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird version. Back it up high, you look like your body die me. Oh God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan feet. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. How you want to run like a nothing? After you dance for me, have my hips stiff. Yeah, no fair, no cares. Because too many times you said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah, I see why your heart's icy. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have murder, you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan feet. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease.
Okay babes, so this is the final look. This wig is from Nadulahair, as you can see from the title. They went ahead and sent me their 22-inch kinky curly 13x4 lace frontal wig, and this is just what it looks like. It is just your pretty much typical tight coily texture, kinky curly that is, and this is what I did with it. I didn't want to do a part, so I definitely just flipped it over, detangled, and you guys seen what I did. So this is just what the hair looks like when it is about 70% dry. I'm just waiting on it to dry down just a bit more. So far so good. The 22 inches in regards to it being kinky curly, it's actually giving a bit of length, and I like that because this is what your average like 20-inch curly wig would look like. So the fact that it's kinky curly and it still has a bit of length to it is great. So you are getting that length factor when you are purchasing the kinky curly texture. If you wanted to know if that was an issue, it definitely isn't where length is concerned. So far so good. I liked working with the lace. It blended really well with my skin tone. The baby hairs were a breeze, and just the whole install, the fact that this wig is glueless is perfect. Nadula always comes with the good wigs, the wigs that are glueless, the wigs that are really nice and snug. They're not too big, or the cap construction is just always on point. So if you'd like to purchase this wig from Nadula, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.